The Honor GT Pro, released on April 23, 2025, is positioned as a high-performance, gaming-centric flagship smartphone. Here's a detailed breakdown of its special features, pros, cons, and an overall conclusion. For pros, exceptional performance. The overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite, coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, delivers leading performance for gaming, multitasking, and heavy applications. Outstanding battery life. The 7,200 mAh battery is a significant highlight, offering potentially multi-day usage for many users. Rapid charging. 90W fast charging is very competitive and ensures minimal downtime. Stunning display. The 6.78-inch 144Hz LTPO OLED with 6,000 nits peak brightness, high-frequency PWM dimming, and giant Rhino glass is a top-tier visual experience, great for gaming and media consumption. Robust durability. IP68/IP69 rating and giant Rhino glass provide excellent protection against elements and drops. Versatile camera system. A triple 50MP setup offers flexibility and high-resolution imaging across different focal lengths, including optical zoom. The 50MP selfie camera is also high-res. Advanced connectivity. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 5G support ensure fast and reliable wireless connections. Enhanced signal strength. The RF Enhanced Chip C1 Plus is a promising feature for improved network stability. Excellent cooling. The sophisticated cooling system helps maintain performance under sustained load. For cons, no wireless charging. Despite being a flagship, it lacks wireless charging, which is a common convenience feature on many high-end devices. No expandable storage. The absence of a micro SD card slot means users are limited to the internal storage options. Availability. Primarily launched in China, global availability might be limited or delayed, and network band compatibility could be an issue for international users. Weight. At 212G, it's not the lightest phone, though understandable given the large battery. Camera software optimization. Potential. While hardware is strong, Honor's camera software processing isn't always as consistently lauded as some competitors, e.g., Google Pixel or Samsung Galaxy S Ultra series. Real-world performance will need detailed reviews. Magic OS. While improving, Magic OS might not be everyone's preference compared to stock Android or other heavily customized UIs. 4 special features. Overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This leading edition or accelerated edition offers even higher performance than the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making it a powerhouse for gaming and demanding tasks. Massive 7,200 mAh battery. One of the largest batteries in a flagship smartphone, promising exceptional endurance. 90W super fast charging. Rapid charging capabilities to quickly top up the large battery. Giant Rhino glass protection. Honor's proprietary display protection, designed for enhanced durability. IP68/IP69 rating. High levels of dust and water resistance for added peace of mind. 144Hz LTPO OLED display with 6,000 nits peak brightness. A top-tier display for incredibly smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent outdoor visibility. The LTPO technology allows for adaptive refresh rates, optimizing power consumption. 4,320 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. Reduces eye strain, especially in low-light conditions. RF Enhanced Chip C1 Plus. A self-developed chip designed to enhance signal strength and connectivity. 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Advanced and secure biometric authentication. Triple 50MP camera setup. A versatile camera system with dedicated wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, all boasting high megapixel counts for detailed photos. E2 chip. Honor's in-house chip for enhanced energy efficiency. 3-stage rocket cooling architecture. Advanced cooling system including 3D waterfall mimic cavity VC and super thermal conductive adhesive to manage heat during intense usage. Overall conclusion. The Honor GT Pro is an uncompromising flagship smartphone, particularly aimed at power users and mobile gamers. Its standout features are the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for unparalleled performance and an industry-leading 7,200 mAh battery for incredible endurance. The stunning 144 Hz LTPO OLED display with extreme brightness and advanced eye protection further solidifies its position as a multimedia and gaming powerhouse. While it excels in raw power, display quality, and battery life, the absence of wireless charging and expandable storage are minor drawbacks. The camera hardware is impressive on paper with its triple 50MP setup, but its true performance will depend on Honor's software optimization. If you prioritize maximum performance, exceptional battery life, and a top-tier display for gaming and intensive use, and are comfortable with potentially limited global availability or a lack of wireless charging, the Honor GT Pro presents a compelling package. It's a genuine flagship killer for its specific niche, offering a no-compromise experience where it matters most for power users. However, for those seeking the absolute best in mobile photography or a more universally available device with all modern conveniences, alternatives might still be worth considering.